Hi guys and welcome back to a brand new video with ReecyVidz. Today I'm going to Manchester, so stay tuned and there's more to come. Hi guys and welcome back to my video. I am now walking to Salford Green Gate, so stick around and there's more to come. So I'm gonna have a slow walk today because when I rush I get out of breath and then I get sweaty and then it's just embarrassing. So I'm just gonna have a nice slow walk around the beautiful city of Manchester. I absolutely love Manchester on sunny days. I've said before, but Leeds and Manchester on sunny days are such a vibe. It is so nice. And it's so relaxing today. I've got a relaxing feeling today. It's like I've took too much medication or something. I'm just really relaxed. But yeah. So Green Gate Salford is looking absolutely impressive. I love it so much. It is really coming on. I really like it round here. It's just like Manhattan. People are going to say it's not, but it really is. And then I enjoyed a scenic view over Manchester's canal. It was really nice. So the cladding on both buildings, Collier's Yard and the new tower, are looking absolutely fantastic. They both look so good in the sun. I think all buildings look really good in the sun. I think there's something about the sun that makes it a lot nicer. One Heritage is currently under groundworks. They're currently doing groundworks and then it should be off the ground very soon. I don't know why, but I think white buildings look a lot smarter. I don't know what it is, but they just look a lot more modern and sleek. I think they look more classy as well. But yeah. So Green Gate is a really nice community area. It's a really nice friendly area with really nice people around. It's nice and quiet as well, which is perfect for me because I don't like crowds and stuff. There's a nice little cafe nearby and there's a park so people can go and sit out in the sun. Look at that though, doesn't it look absolutely impressive? It is such a stunning skyline. The blossom trees are coming out now, really nice and uplifting. I love it when it's spring, it's one of my favourite seasons. I just love everything blooming and the smell of fresh flowers, it's just so nice. So I've just had the most cutest dog jump on my lap. It was so cute. The owner was like, "Oh, do you like dogs?" I was like, "I absolutely love dogs. I love the smell of dogs. I love touching dogs. I just think they're so beautiful." I just wanted to cuddle it all day. It was just so cute. I'm now walking to Trinity Islands. I am currently on the strip which goes on towards Trinity Islands. So yeah, just look at that backdrop. It's amazing, isn't it? The bus shelter gets in the way, but look at that. It's an amazing skyline. It's Manchester. Such a beautiful city. I love it so much. The architecture in Spinningfields is absolutely super impressive. It is really interesting to look at. The buildings are just so cool and unique, and they've definitely got their own originality and their own coolness. I love it so much, and there's so much to look at as well. Like, just looking around here, it's just amazing. And you know we're in England because of the Tesco lorry. Just look at the patterns on the buildings and the design of the cladding. It is just absolutely superb. So when I come to Manchester, I always notice different things that I haven't seen before. So like every time I come, there's always something new to see. Like that building I've just shown you now. Oh, it was a stunning building, amazing. Spinningfields is so rich with stunning architecture and amazing like designs and stuff. The architects around here are really good. So I seem to have a routine of doing the same route every time I come, but it's just my autism. It's just like my routine. It's what I like to know what I'm expecting, so I usually do the same sort of route every time, because then it makes me feel more at ease and not nervous and stuff. So yeah. So I'm really enjoying today's trip in Manchester. It's a nice chilled out trip. Just walking at my own pace, just going as I please basically. And it's just a nice, I think it's better when you do that, because like you don't feel as stressed and uptight and stuff. So I'm just going to go at my own pace today and just relax. So I'm currently walking to Trinity Islands. It's quite a long walk from Salford Green Gate, or Manchester Green Gate. But yeah, I'm out of breath. I wish I didn't get out of breath when I talk when I'm walking. It's my asthma. I've said it before in previous videos, but it is. There's just amazing views everywhere you look in Manchester. You're spoilt for so many beautiful photo opportunities. So my view count on my videos is actually quite low at the moment, which I'm quite shocked about because I've done some cool videos. If anyone knows how I can improve or make better videos, then please leave a comment in the description. I really don't mind. Constructive criticism is how we build our YouTube channels. So yeah. Novella Phase 2 is coming on really nicely. I really like the look of this building. I think it looks really nice. Black cladding always wins. It's just a stunning cladding style. I love it so much. Something that I prefer in Manchester to Leeds is that they've got all different train links. So they've got East Midlands trains, they've got Transport for Wales, they've got Northern, they've got Transpennine Express, they've got Avanti West Coast. They've got a lot of different train companies which operate in and out of the city. And I wish Leeds had that, because then there'd be more to take pictures of. And there'd be more places to go as well for people, so yeah. So Manchester do boat tours. It's £12 and you get a 5% discount. I'll show you a screenshot of the website so you can have a look for yourself. So Trinity Islands has made fantastic progress. Both buildings now are really impacting the skyline. They look absolutely fantastic and the cladding looks really nice. I know it's same old, but do you know what? It actually works and it looks really classy and modern. I really like the look of them both. They're very sleek and slender and very interesting to look at, in my opinion. So this is under Elizabeth Tower. It looks absolutely beautiful, and the nature around it, the trees and stuff, it just all works so nicely. So as you can see, Deansgate South is really blending in with the skyline. This is a tall building zone, so around here all the tall buildings are getting built. But look at that, it's so slender and the cladding looks quite nice as well. The slip farm is very tall, I think it's 25 stories. And as you can see, Contour is also making great progress. So Contour has made great progress. Last time I came, the floor was at number 10, now the slip farm is at number 17, so it's made excellent progress. Not by much, but it's still better than nothing. It's just so exciting round here, there's so much going on and so much to look forward to. There's just photo opportunities everywhere you look, it's just so stunning. I don't know why people don't see the beauty of it. So as you can see, Contour Tower 2 has also made great progress. I think the floor slabs are about number 25 and the slip farm core is at number 39. So it's made great progress. And as you can see, the cladding looks amazing. I love it so much. It's really interesting to look at. Really cool and unique. I really like the design, but I think they should have used different cladding styles just to make it a bit more interesting. But still, it still looks good and I'm not moaning. That is just like the most amazing backdrop, honestly. It is impressive. I think it calls for a photo opportunity. So as you can see, the Contour Towers are now towering over Deansgate Square, with Deansgate South Tower being the main pinnacle of the cluster. The Downings development is now completed. It looks really nice. It blends in with the sky actually because it's blue. It's really cool. So here's yet another photo opportunity. Sorry everybody. So I stopped to have a breather for 5 minutes in this really nice area. I was really enjoying the views, it was so nice. So this is the student village in Manchester in Oxford Road area. It's a really nice up and coming area. Look at this building, what I discovered today. Isn't it beautiful? It's just like a Manhattan building. Yeah, it might not be as tall, but do you know what? The colour and the cladding style is absolutely amazing. It just reminds me of Manhattan. It's just so cool. And it blends in with the industrial buildings around Oxford Road area. Look at this building, isn't it absolutely stunning? It definitely gives me London vibes. It looks like a London building. And look at that, it looks like a European city. Well, it is a European city, but it looks like a central European city in like Budapest or something. It is so stunning. I love it so much. Just look at that, there's so much variety of different styles of architecture and there's so much to take pictures of. You are definitely spelt for choice in Manchester. If this scene does not give you New York vibes, I don't know what will. So Manchester was quite busy today with it being half term and also people sun seeking, so coming out in the sun. The St Michael's development has made great progress. I think it's going up floor by floor, not by the slip farm topping out first. I think it's a slow progress, but it has made good progress because look, as you can see, there's already one floor slab being made. So yeah. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching and stay tuned for more videos to come in future. Bye everyone.